Where's the lids? Oh, I didn't wash up the lids. Can't get the staff here. Everyone has different goals when it comes to using Huel, but 3 of the most common are to lose weight, to maintain weight, and to gain weight. My name's Cam, and today I'm going to show you how to make a smoothie that helps you achieve each of those goals. First, I'm going to make an amazing green protein smoothie for all of you who want to lose weight. We're going to use banana milkshake complete protein, 300 ml of a milk of your choice, frozen spinach, an apple, and a squeeze of lemon. What I'm going to do first is add my milk to my blender. So as I said, I'm using 300 ml of almond milk, but if you wanted to use coconut milk, oat milk, any milk, it's going to taste great. Next, I'm going to add 1 scoop of banana milkshake complete protein. Then I'm going to add some frozen spinach. So this is going to be great to give that kind of smoothie texture rather than just your milk and your protein. Just going to quickly roughly chop an apple. Doesn't have to be too serious. Wrong word. And then throw it in, and then we're going to blend it all together. But before I do blend, I want a nice squeeze of lemon, as I said, for that tang. If you did want to add some frozen avocado or just normal avocado, that would be great for a nice creamy texture. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, 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 yum.
Is your catchphrase?
Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Very nice. Now comes the easy part. I'm just going to blend this all together. The banana goes great with the spinach, and I'm loving the zing from the apple and the lemon. And as I said, I think avocado could be great for a more creamy texture. 10 out of 10. Now onto a great smoothie for those who want to maintain weight using Huel Essential. All you need is 400 ml of a milk of your choice, 2 scoops of Huel Vanilla Essential, and frozen berries. Strawberries and blueberries. I've got strawberries and blueberries, but you can add whatever you want. Let's get into it. First up, I'm going to grab my trusty little smoothie maker again. I'm going to add in the milk and scoop number 2. Then just throw in your frozen berries. So as I said, I've got 200 grams of strawberries and 100 grams of blueberries, but you could use raspberries, red currants, mixed berries, anything you want. Maybe don't include that.
Yeah, definitely include that.
And just blend up. Look at that beautiful purple colour. I love the vanilla powder. It gives a really great sweetness, and the strawberry-blueberry combination is just golden. Last but not least, we have a luxurious smoothie for all of those who want to gain weight. As always, we've got a milk of your choice. This time I'm using 500 ml. I've got my Huel Black Edition chocolate, some frozen banana, and 2 scoops of... 2 scoops? No. 1 liberal tablespoon of peanut butter. Just gonna add in my milk. I'm using almond milk this time, but I think coconut could be great with this too. Just gonna open up my Black Edition. That was a good one. Now I'm going to use 2 scoops for this one. Then just add in 1 frozen banana, already chopped up, makes it easier. And then 1 huge tablespoon of peanut butter, because I love it. If you don't want to include so much, you don't have to. This is your smoothie. Oh. That will do. And time to blend. Chocolate, peanut butter and banana is always a winning combination, but adding a shot of coffee could be great for a nice little morning mocha vibe. And that's it, guys. 3 different smoothies. It's so simple. But how do you have your Huel? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time for more recipes. Behind the scenes. It's all fake.